Hello everyone, welcome back to the Digital Tutors. Today I'm going to show you how to design an amazing e-commerce poster for a classic watch using Canva. Whether you're promoting a product online or creating a poster for a physical store, it's important to create a design that stands out and grabs attention. Let's dive into what you need and how you can do it easily in Canva. Let's talk about the essential elements you need to design an effective e-commerce advertisement poster. Whether you're promoting a classic watch or any other product, these key components will help your poster stand out and attract customers. High-quality product image. A clear, high-resolution image of your product is a must. It shows off the details and makes your poster look professional. Catchy headline. A short, attention-grabbing headline that highlights what makes your product special. Key features or benefits. Highlight a few standout features or benefits that set your product apart from the competition. Brand logo. Don't forget to include your brand's logo to build recognition and trust. Call to action. Encourage your audience to take action like shop now or discover more. Consistent color scheme. Choose colors that match your brand and create a cohesive look. Clear typography. Use easy-to-read fonts that complement your overall design. Now let's walk through the process of designing our classic watch poster in Canva. First, click on a Create Design. Select Poster from the drop-down menu to get the perfect size for your e-commerce ad. Then change background. You can choose the color according to your color theme. Now let's add some graphic elements to enhance our background. Add a catchy headline, click on text and add a heading. Something like "Timeless elegance works perfectly for our classic watch." Adjust the font size, color, and add effects to match your brand. Now upload high-quality images of your classic watch and drag and drop the image onto your poster. Remove background if needed and position it where you want it to be. To make the watch really pop, let's add a glow graphic behind it. Go to the elements and search glow. Choose a glow graphic that fits your design and place it behind the watch image by adjusting the layers. Add a few bullet points or short phrases that highlight the watch's best features like Swiss movement, leather strap, or water resistant. Add lines and place it below text. Insert brand logo and place it in a corner where it's visible but not distracting. This helps with brand recognition. Add a text box to showcase the price or discount offer like up to 40% off. Adjust the font size, change its color and add text effects. Make sure the offer is large enough to be noticed at a glance. Add a button or a text that says "Order now" or "Buy today." Go to Elements and search "Order now." Choose and insert one that fits your design. Make sure it's bold and stands out against the background. Finally, add contact details such as contact number or website. Take a step back and review your design. Make sure everything is aligned and that the poster looks balanced. Tweak any elements as needed. Once you're happy with your design, click on Download, choose your preferred format, and you are all set to share your beautiful e-commerce poster with the world. It's that simple, right? With these tips and steps, you can design eye-catching posters that boost your sales and showcase your product in the best light. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy designing!